$6,000 Bitcoin price approaches as forks appear and investors hold. Bitcoin has posted further all-time highs of almost $5,800 after climbing $1,000 in 24 hours. Beginning Thursday, a price surge gained momentum to take the Bitcoin BTC chain over $5,000 for the second time in history. When resistance came at $5,200, prices remained above the significant boundary before continuing to new heights never before seen. BTC posted a new high of $5,798 in the early hours of Friday. At the same time, forks of Bitcoin, namely Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and SegWit2x futures, either failed to appreciate or dropped in value. BCH, which debuted for blockchain.info users Thursday, is worth only around 35% of what it was in August. SegWit2x hedging, which is confined to Bitfinex, also disappointed users without downward trending, leading to an atmosphere of smugness among BTC proponents on social media. The question on investors' lips today, however, is naturally one of how long the BTC rally will last, and to what extent it will reverse. Major rallies have traditionally been accompanied by downward corrections, albeit with each new high sparking a less severe correction than the previous one. Suspicions are also rife that investors are stocking up on BTC prior to November's two hard forks, in order to maximize free coins on every chain. The price of Bitcoin has finally surpassed the $5,000 territory after a few teases this past spring and summer. During the earlier hours of October 12, Bitcoin's market value spiked past the $5,000 range and has reached an all-time high of $5,846 per BTC across popular global exchanges. Bitcoin's pathway to $6,000 is within sight. Bitcoin blasts past major resistance, moving into uncharted price territory. The price of Bitcoin, BTC/XBT, has touched a high of $5,846 as it has continued to climb in value relentlessly all day. Presently, Bitcoin trade volume is strong with $3.4 billion in daily trade volume and hasn't let up since the bull run started. A few hours after the quick jump to around $5,200 to $5,300 today, there was a small amount of profit taking and sell-off, but it didn't last long. Bitcoin's price soared between 10 to 11 p.m. EDT as buyers hammered away at bids to the $5,800 zone. The high was followed by a significant drop back down to the $5,550 to $5,600 territory. At press time, the market value seems to be consolidating in this region. The Japanese yen is still leading the global trade volume race, capturing 57% of Bitcoin's fiat exchange volume at the time of writing. The USD and South Korean won follow the lead, as Europe and China trail just a touch behind the top three countries in trade volume. Right now, the top 5 exchanges processing the most Bitcoin volume include Bitfinex, Bithumb, Bitflyer, Bitstamp, and GDAX. As the price lifted, both cryptocurrency exchanges and the Bitcoin network itself was quite busy. Network congestion has increased a bit, and there is currently 50K unconfirmed transactions waiting in the mempool. Technical indicators. Right now, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is showing overbought conditions. Alongside this, the stochastic is giving a variance in signals indicating buyers may remain in control. Order books on popular exchanges like Bitstamp are moving fast, and show significant resistance past the $5,800 to $5,900 range. Additionally, there are massive sell walls up to the $6,200 zone, but after breaking that pressure, bulls could take the good ship to $6,500 with fewer waves. Buying load is still on the upside as the 100 Simple Moving Average, SMA, is still coasting above the 200 SMA. A correction could be imminent at these heights, but order books show support levels around the $5,000 to $5,200 price regions. If the RSI oscillator continues to show overbought conditions and the displaced moving average, DMA, support breaks $5,150, a deeper correction may be in the cards. The verdict overall, the community doesn't seem to be fearing the hard fork this November, as last August gave people an idea of what to expect. It seems markets are following last August's Bitcoin price rise as well, because Bitcoin's current value is increasing similarly just before the SegWit 2x fork. Further, mainstream media and big-name investors are flocking to the decentralized currency more and more these days. For instance, Bernstein, the New York-based team of Wall Street financial analysts, told Business Insider this week that Bitcoin is a censorship-resistant asset class. This is just one of many mainstream investment types looking directly at Bitcoin's digital gold attributes. It's safe to say at $5K plus per Bitcoin the whole world has been noticing the crypto asset's new record. Bear scenario, as said above, at this price height a big sell-off should not be discounted. Some indicators show overbought conditions at the moment and the price rallied hard for the past 18 hours so far, so it's likely exhaustion may come. A significant floor between $4,800 to $5,200 looks like a healthy correction, and if a bigger panic sets in it could drop well below the sub-$5K zone. Bull scenario, the parade of bulls has to smash past significant resistance at the $5,850 to $5,900 region again without tiring out to get to some smoother seas. For now, it's likely to be wavy and consolidate between the two key zones of $5,300 to $5,700. If a steady stream of buying continues to rally, then $6,000 per Bitcoin is not far away from this vantage point. Where do you see the price of Bitcoin heading from here? Let us know in the comments below. Disclaimer: Bitcoin price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only and should not to be considered as trading advice. Neither Bitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for any losses or gains, as the ultimate decision to conduct a trade is made by the reader. Always remember that only those in possession of the private keys are in control of the money. You are welcome to watch our other videos, leave a comment, click like or dislike, share it, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.